Okay, so now I'm looking at GBP JPY. I assume GBP JPY is going to continue in the upwards direction. So what I'm going to do is place a buy inside of my demo account. Let's go. I'm inside of my demo account, as you see, demo. And what I want to show you is GBP JPY, okay? All right, I have GBP JPY up. I think the market is going to go up. So let's go ahead and place my first buy. This is in demo account. This is how you want to do this. Whenever the market gives you 10 to 15 pips, you're going to be looking at GJ. You can do the same thing for other pairs. If you want to look at, if you're looking at USD CAD and you think it's going to reverse on you, before entering in your live account, you always want to get all confirmations before entering in your live account, period. So in your demo account, you want to place a buy in your demo. This will keep you from losing itself in its own, and you'll see the power in just a second. I'm going negative. I'm going deeper in negative. So I'm down about 2 pips. Let's say for GA, let's go to GA. I'm looking at the chart. I think it's gonna go up. Let's press buy for that too. So here we go. I got 3 pairs that I'm in a buy for, but in my demo account, Wait till the market gives you all of your confirmations for entry. So let me show you what I mean. Okay, so you see how the market is going down right now, right? I'm not in my live account. Look, a lot of people entered in this in their live accounts. This is why you don't want to be on the side of retail traders, your average retail traders. Nobody teaches this because they just don't know. They just don't think. Everybody want to be in their live account so fast, and that's the fastest way to lose all of your money too. So before getting in your live account, say for example, you thought it was a sell right here, you thought it was going to continue and reverse all the way down. Look at that. It faked a lot of people out, and a lot of traders went back to hit their stop loss, and guess what? They're back to the same thing, because look at this and look at this. Doesn't that look similar? Look at that. It looks very similar. Why? Because it's a flip. It's all flipped. The same thing that happened right here is the same thing that happened right here. I mean, look at it. You have to look close to really understand. Look at that. It looks the exact same. So for example, you see how this, let me show you something real quick. You want to come over to this tool right here called bars pattern. So here we go. I'll take it from this top right here and put it with this bottom, and bam, right there, bam, that's it. So second step is this, bam, there you go. So this is the second step right there. So I assume this is gonna happen right here. All I did was just got this ghost pattern right here and flip this around, and as you see, it's making the same pattern in the same area. This had came back to hit people's stop losses and take them out. Why? Because the market is about to go up, and watch this. It's about to do exactly this. We're gonna wait and see this, man. Remember, I am in my demo account. I am in my demo account right now. I'm not in profit in my live account. I'm not like negative in my live account. This is the best way to trade. I'm telling you. Who do you know that's doing it this way? This had came down all the way out down here for a reason, to show you that the future price is going to come down and get all of this up. So for example, I can place this as a TP. So I like to do my TPs as a red line. So here we go, red line, bam. So in the future, I can expect the market to come back down to hit this price. Am I gonna enter a trade right now? No, not at all. But I'm telling you, if you really want a higher probability trade, I'm telling you, you have to enter in your demo account first. It's not about how much money you make, it's about the money you keep. I don't care what these fake gurus show you, the profits and all that BS jargon. It's about how much money you keep on top of the profits. If you enter in your live account all the time first, I know you're losing. I know majority of y'all are losing. I mean, that's how I know. You don't have to tell me nothing. That's why these fake gurus can't prove me wrong. It's all the same thing. It's no hate. It's just like what you don't know. Entering in your demo account saves you from a lot of losses. Say for example, the market was right here, right? So let me see. Say for say for example, the market was right here at this point, at this red vertical line. Say if the market was right there at that red vertical line, right? I am simply getting in on my demo account because I think it's going up. I'm not gonna enter on my live account. See, that's the difference with a lot of traders. They don't know what's going on. So they see this over here and they see this, they're placing sales. Watch this. A lot of traders are placing sales because look, supply and demand, they think buy low, sell high. That's not the way to that's not the way to trade. That shit don't work, man. I'm telling you the truth. It doesn't work. Everybody is trading like that. I don't get it. And people are placing sales right now. Believe it or not, people are placing sales. Why do you think this came all the way down here and faked a lot of people out? You have to be strategic. You have to see what's going on. The candlesticks are going to show you what's going on. You just have to be able to read it, like read what it's telling you. So right now, this long rejection is telling me that the market does want to go up. But am I in the loss, or am I in a negative, or am I in profit in my live account? No. And I'm happy with that because why? I don't have all the confirmations to get in the trade. It's that simple. So back to my MT4. I'm back in my demo account, and as you see, USD CAD is up, not even a pip. GBP AUD, GA is up 3 pips. I'm not looking for entry at this time until my alerts are hit. See, that's another thing. I love doing alerts. I always do alerts. There's not one trade that trade setup that I look for without doing alert. For the trade that we're looking at, as you see, we're down negative 16 cents. Negative 16 cents. And guess what? It's in our demo account. It's in our demo. It's not our live account. So we don't have to worry about that. I say it's going up, but look at this. Look at it. It's negative 16 cents. Now we're negative 35 cents. A lot of people are, look, a lot of traders are getting in. Now we're up 5 pips. We probably need to be looking at GA right now. Look at GA. Once we get to $1, which is 10 pips, that's when we're gonna really look at GA, because look, it's pushing. GA is pushing to the upside. So let's go to GA. Okay, this is GA. I placed a buy. A lot of people looking to get in. Look at this. You have your reversals traders getting in right here. You know, they buy low, sell high. Yep. And I'm gonna show you how that shit don't work because it does not work, man. But let me see. Okay. Oh, there's people getting in that buy. People taking that buy. It look good. It can look good all it want, but that's not all it takes. It saved me from losing. You do not have to enter every single trade. I promise you. Once you understand that, and there is no reason to have FOMO either. There is no reason whatsoever to have FOMO. Why? Because these moves happen all the time. At least one day out of the week. It happens all the time. Look at this. Look at this. Look at it. You have to know this. Look at it. This shot down over 100 pips. Bam. One time. Look. 4 days, 5 days later. Same thing. You have to wait on the move. You have to see the move coming. If you can do this once every single week, what do you think you can do? Oh my God, a month. I'm telling you, if you just be patient for the move and go with the expectancy, it's pretty easy. It's really easy. Enter in your demo account first. It will save you from having losses. I promise you that. I promise. Because there are going to be times to where you think it's going to go up and that market going to shoot right against you and reverse out of your favor. As you see, we have two pips on USD CAD. We have about 3 pips on GBP AUD. And yeah, this is back on GBP JPY. I'm on a 5-minute chart, by the way. 5-minute chart, and I'm waiting for my setup, right? All I did was just get this from the middle right there, and then come over and get this, and bam, from that stop right there. That's all I did. And all I did from there was flip this upside down from this low and flip it upside down. And this is what it is right there. So let me show y'all something. People say they giving y'all sauce. They ain't giving y'all shit, man. Oh my God. Let's get that tool again. The bars pattern, right? Okay, from this point to down here, watch this. from all the way to the low. Watch this. We're gonna flip it, all right? Now look at that. I flipped it upside down, took it from this low, and look, it pretty much told me what was going to happen up here. Do y'all, bro, I promise you, once you understand this, you see how I did this right at this point? This is flipped upside down. All I did was just flip it upside down at this point, and look, it did the same thing. Do you see it? Look at the pattern. Look at this. I'm gonna mark it, bam, and bam. I'm just looking at the red pattern. Look at this. You see that? Bro, once you understand this, you will, oh my God. I'm telling y'all, use these tools to your advantage. I do it all the time. All the time, man. I use it to my advantage, and all I do is just back-tested data that has showed me in the past. That's it. You see how this move did this? Not saying it's going to do that all the time, but if it goes in your direction, you'll have the highest probability to see where it's going. You see that? You see that? Oh my God. I'm telling you, it works. It really does. It's just that simple. I can keep on showing you this over and over again. So for example, here go another example. You just look at the patterns. It'll show you what's bound to happen. So you see this right here, bam, bam, came right here, bam. So what's bound to happen right here? Is it the same thing? Do you see it? Do you see it? Yes, it is. It's the same thing. Watch this. So here we go. Start from this to this right here, this low, and right there, bam. Now let's flip it over. Now look at that. I flipped it over, and understand that it won't always look exactly like it, but you have to see it coming. You have to see it coming, bro. Do you see the, man? You have to see it coming. This is just one extra confirmation like that you could just see it coming. Like, you have to see it coming. You see all of this accumulation? Look at what it's doing in that level. It's accumulating. It shows you what's bound to happen before it even happened, people. That's what I'm trying to get you to understand. All I did was just take it from this support all the way to this support, this very end right here, and bam. I flipped it over, and look at what it does on our next level. Does it actually do what it says? Look, accumulation right there, bam, and look at that, accumulation right there, bam, look at that line, look at that, and it gave us a retest right there, bam, and look at that. Look at what it do after that. You see what I'm talking about? Do not go in your live account first. That's what not the 99% do. So do the opposite of what the 99% are doing. That's what it's all about. That's all I'm saying. Do the opposite of what the 99% are doing.
And this is how you can prevent from having losses, just like this. I swear, it saves you every time.
Here's another example. Look at this. You see this? You see how it stopped here? All I did was just take it from this low to this high, and then took it from this low to this high. And look at that. You don't know what you don't know, and look at it push. You see that? I'm showing you again. I can show you this all day. All you do is take it from the top to this bottom right here. Bam, right there, bam, right? Flip that over, and guess what? It's gonna show you this to come. Watch, bam, there you go, right here, see? Now I flipped it over, flipped it upside down. Now look at the movement. Look at this. Look at the movement. Look at the movement right here. That was the movement up here. Look at the movement. How would you have known that would have hit this level right here? It's more to it. That's what I'm saying. There is more to it. It's not just this. You have to be very strategic in this market. That's my point. What did I tell you, bro? That's what I don't show. I don't show this too much, but I'm gonna show you on this video because a lot of people just don't know. I can guarantee you will see you will see better results in your live account. Let me be specific. You'll see better results. To go even further, it's gonna hit that red line. It's gonna hit that red line. Just watch, man. And let's go. Let's go. Had to set that alert. Had to set that alert. Look at that. Same move.
I showed you the bar pattern over here. Remember, I did the bar pattern from this low to this high, and I did the bar pattern again from this low. It's supposed to be up here, but this low right here to this high. And look at this. Look at it. Everything just comes together. Now, as you see, GBP JPY, my alert was hit. Let's go see the move. Let's go see what's going on. Let's go. But first, look at it. USD JPY. This is my USD JPY. I told you it was gonna hit. I told you it was gonna hit. I showed you this whole move. I explained how to look at it. And look at that. Okay, remember, we're in our demo account right now. We're not in our live account, okay? So the goal here is to take it from this level right here to this level right there. This, I'm gonna put this red. I like to do color code because that's what you gotta do. I got different color codes for every line. I know some people want to be like, how many pips? Look, I don't really pay attention to pips. I pay attention to price, and then whatever the market gives me, I'll take it. 27 pips though, bam. With GBP JPY, we're about 8 pips up, and we are good. GBP AUD, you see that buy? You remember that buy that I was talking about with GBP AUD? And bam, there it goes. I told you, it can look good, but it's not always a good move. Your average retail trader bought into that just to get their account blown. See that? And that's why you enter in your demo account first, just in case, because it will save you from losses. It becomes clockwork. It's really easy, but it takes time to learn this and master. And again, you see how we're negative in GBP AUD for that buy that I just showed. Now, you could still make profit in the other direction. I told you to wait like at least 10 pips, whether it's going in profit or whether it's going in a sale. That's how you want to be in trading. You don't want to enter first thing in your live account, people. The more important factor in trading is how much money you keep, other than how much you win or lose. Winning and losing is not the important factor when it comes to trading. It's how much money you keep. If you're trying to get in your live account ASAP, I know you're losing. You're always going to continue to lose because you can never predict the market at the right time. But if you wait and let the move do its thing and wait for your setup and wait for all confirmations, you will see the benefits of this technique. Add this to your trading plan. If you don't have this, and if you know that you're not good at entries, especially for people that's not good at entries, you really need to get onto this because it's very, very crucial. You will see a lot of benefits and a big difference in your live account. And bam, there you go. And that's how it's done. It's that simple. I just showed you this live. That's simply how it's done. I showed you my TP before it was hit. I showed you what gave us the confidence to see this coming before it even happened. You see that? Easy. So to give most of y'all a reality check, see, it doesn't always go according to what I predicted, as you see, but I'm still not even in this trade because I don't have all confirmations to be in the trade. All right. So it's like you have to have a working system that actually goes with what you're trying to see or what you believe is going to happen. All right. It's all about probability. You have to have the highest probability. And right now, I did not have the highest probability to enter into my live account. All right. So I hope I made this very, very clear. And as of now, it looks like, okay, it could go to the downside, but oh well, I'm in my demo account. And guess what? I'm not in my live account. So guess what? It saved me from that loss. It saved me from that loss. I don't have all confirmations to get in the trade. I didn't have all confirmation to take it to that red line. So guess what? I didn't lose.
One of you fakes. Since nobody else was, I thought, why not? When this is